Hi everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Also, feel free to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family.
Okay, but why?
Oh, hi everyone. How's it going? Welcome to today's episode of Okay But Why, where I'm going to discuss something that all of us have considered as common sense or an obvious fact while growing up. I am, of course, talking about the fact that planets and stars can spin. But the interesting thing is, they have never stopped doing that for billions of years. Like I said, this is obvious, but why do they do that? Why do they never stop spinning? Of course, there are plenty of answers on the internet using big fancy words like angular momentum and conservation and rotational inertia. But in this video, I'm not going to use any of them. In fact, the only thing I'm going to do is use a small imaginative experiment or a thought experiment to explain this answer. And all you need to perform this experiment is common sense. So when you're ready, here's the experiment. I want you to imagine yourself throwing an object as far away and as fast as you possibly can. Right? Now this object can be a ball, a bunch of keys, a pen, a piece of tissue, anything you find. But just imagine yourself throwing it. Now when you're done imagining, I'm sure you'll agree with me when I say that the object that you threw started spinning in a random direction the moment it left your hand. And in fact, it never stopped spinning until, of course, it hit something like a wall or a floor to stop it from moving. Right? See, I told you it was common sense. But here's the fun part of it. This is pretty much the exact thing that happened 14 billion years ago when our universe was born in a gigantic explosion. And what this explosion did was, it sent a huge bunch of hot clouds of rocks, gas, and dust hurtling about in space, each of them spinning around in their own random directions. And of course, over time, these hot clouds cool down to form the beautiful planets and stars that we observe in the NASA pictures. But here's the thing about space. There is no wall or floor or any surface to stop these guys from moving. In fact, that is the answer to this big question. Planets and stars never stop spinning because there's simply nothing to stop them from spinning in the depths of space. Can they ever slow down or stop? Sure they can, if they bump into an asteroid or another planet. In fact, that happened to the Earth a few billion years ago. When the Earth was a lot faster at rotating than it is today, it bumped into an equally huge planet. And not only did this collision slow down the speed of the Earth's rotation, but it also broke a piece off the Earth itself and sent it hurtling away. Of course, not too far away, and it's still somewhere spinning around the Earth. And that little piece is what went on to become our moon. Now, the moon is an interesting topic in itself, and that requires a whole separate video. But for now, at least we finally understand what those big words were trying to tell us while they were describing the spinning of the Earth. Come to think of it, they do seem like common sense now, don't they? I'm Varun, bringing you the story behind the science from OK But Why. Stay safe, stay curious, and stay tuned for the next video.